Come in.
Wow, you look great.
What's wrong with your voice?
What?
Your accent.
I don't have a... Wait, who's that?
My cousin. Never mind that. Why aren't you doing the voice?
Oh, you want us to be in character right now? No, I can do that. I mean, I can do that.
Ugh, it was a terrible British accent.
Well, technically, he's from Westeros, and the accents in the show are just all over the place.
Sit! We need to work this out before the celebration.
It's just a Halloween party.
Drink!
Jesus, okay.
Dear brother, how can we make you feel more in character?
Oh, what if we do some Sanford Meisner technique? I could...
No. It needs to feel real.
I don't really know what...
Drink more wine.
Okay.